How to quickly follow a P2P merchant who you believed release your money very fast. How to quickly follow a P2P merchant who you believed to have been to have released your money very fast, like you transacted with the person on Binance P2P platform, and the merchant was able to either release the funds or to release the funds means to pay, meaning you sold to him or her. All right, then he or she bought from you, or you bought from them, whichever way. But I'm specifically talking about if you sold. All right, you sold some USDT, for example, to a P2P merchant, meaning the P2P merchant on his own end or on her own end bought from you. Do you understand? So now, and the transaction happened to be very fast, like it didn't take long, just a split seconds to a minute for the P2P merchant to release the funds for you, okay? Because you sold USDT to the P2P merchant, and the P2P merchant released the local currency equivalent that you sold to him. Do you understand? So if you want to rate him, you first of all, if the transaction was very fast, you click on positive. All right, then you can select any of these options: fast transaction, polite and friendly, patient, whatever. But for me, I will choose fast transaction. Do you understand? Fast transaction. Then I will check this box that says leave anonymous comment. I will check it. All right, then I will click on the yellow button, leave comments. If you're not okay with the transaction, like it took time, okay, you can give a negative feedback by clicking on this negative button. But for me, I'm choosing the positive feedback because the P2P merchant on his own end was very fast in releasing the funds. Do you understand? The local currency that I'm exchanging for my USDT for. All right, so I'll click on leave comments. All right, then all right, good. Then if you want to follow this merchant, all you just need to do is to scroll down a bit. You see this follow this user, you check, you move this button to the right, this button here, move it to your right. It's already switched off, so you move it to your right. So by so doing, you have followed. You click on enable. It says enable add notifications, so you just click on the enable button instead of the later button. You click on enable button. So I will do that. So notifications enabled. So by so doing, I have followed this P2P merchant. Do you understand? So this is how you follow a merchant on the Binance P2P platform. All right, so cheers guys.